In today's video, we're going to be putting a cabin air filter in the 2011 Chevy Equinox. The filter I'm going to be using will be this MicroGuard, and as you can see, we're just going to ensure that we've got nice, fresh, clean air coming into the cabin. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so the cabin filter is going to be behind the glove box. So we will need to free this. So it looks like there's that. I think right here is where we're gonna go. Okay, yep. There's just a tab right here, and then another tab right there. Let's see if you can see the other tab. Okay, and so we'll go ahead and pull the old one out, which actually looks pretty dirty. So you can get a good hold of it. I'm going to assume this is original to the vehicle. Alright, well, let's compare the new one to the old one. Alright, so it shows the airflow direction. So it's going to go in like this. So the old versus the new. Let's get this put in there. Alright, so I just did a little check here. So you can push this tab up. And then once the glove box is down like this, you can actually pop it off. Now we have complete access. You can see that was the other tab that I was having a little bit of trouble getting to, but here we go. We're gonna go ahead and put that new filter in. Making sure that the airflow is going the proper direction. And I'm struggling just a little bit because I'm doing this one-handed. There we go. Cabin filter is in place. And then the glove box, so you can see there's these spots right here where it attaches. And they are just hooks. So you just hook that on, push it back up, and we're done. All right, job done.
Next level.